Hi, I'm Michelle with Carolina Premier Window Films. Here are 4 easy steps in order to prepare for your window film installation. We need an 8x8 space, preferably in your garage. If you do not have a garage, an area in your home that's not quite used as often, like maybe a spare bedroom. In this space, the guys are going to set up a ladder with a film handler on it, which is what we use to cut our material. This will be kind of a staging area. They'll bring in the film, their tools, and once they get done installing all of the window film, they'll go ahead and clean that area up. So this will be set up for the majority of the time that they're there. We'll need about 3 to 4 feet clearance in front of each window. This includes moving all furniture, knickknacks, electronics, pianos, anything you may have in front of the windows. This will give the guys easy access in order to walk up to the windows, whether they need a ladder, possibly scaffolding or large ladders. It'll give them plenty of room in that space in order to be able to install the film properly. We will need you to take down your blinds. This will make the installation process much easier. Also, any curtains that cannot be pushed off to the side of the casement on the windows will need to come down, as we do use water for the installation process. The blinds will be able to be returned or put back up as soon as the guys finish the installation. We do ask that you secure your pets or keep them in an area away from the installation process. This is just to minimize any hair or dander that may get between the film and the glass. Thank you for choosing Carolina Premier Window Films for your window film installation. We truly appreciate your business.